Hi everybody, this is Mark. I'm going to introduce you to my eMagician. So here's what it looks like. It's an 8,000 watt QS motor, adjustable damping suspension, MobiPlus controller with a Windows dashboard that gives you useful information such as the motor temperature, the controller temperature, the speed, the mode. So now it's on turbo mode, it's normal and eco mode, and battery amps, phase amps, and of course voltage. There's a built-in charger, so I can charge pretty much anywhere. Built-in charger and extension, and there's a little room here for stuff that could be useful, like a rear brake, and the battery's there. And that's the controller, MobiPlus 72 volts, 600 amps. So next video is how it rides.